Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have an assortment of my RCs laid out in front of me, and I'm going to be doing something very cool that involves water balloons. That is right, water balloons. So, let me go ahead, grab the camera off the mount. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing. This is going to be a heck of a lot of fun. Alright, so here's the assortment of water balloons I brought with me. I just brought them in a giant tub. I'd say there's probably, I'm not good at guessing numbers actually, there's probably at least 30 in there I would guess. But some of them are leaking water out, as you guys can see. But my plan is to run into them with my RC cars. So I want to drive over them. I want to try throwing them in the air. I brought my ramps with me. I want to try jumping right into some water balloons. We'll see if I've got the skill to do that. I'm not so sure about that. But just have a heck of a lot of fun. Obviously, I'm going to have to clean this up once I get done. I'm not going to leave the water balloons behind. You don't want to do that. You don't want dogs or children to pick it up and eat it. So you got to be responsible. So I didn't bring too many water balloons just so I can keep track of, you know, how many I brought. Because I got to pick them all up when I'm done. But yeah, I brought an assortment of my RCs out, like I said. I'm probably going to start off with the Traxxas Max that is running on 4S. I did have to replace the receiver on this one. This one, if you watched the video where I was in Montana, I submerged this one in water in like a creek or a river, and it never would work after that. So I had to put a new receiver in. Now it's working. Got water all inside the tires though, unfortunately, because I never taped up those tires. The inside holes, the breather holes. I've got my Traxxas Slash 4x4, which is actually running my Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive, the cheapest Traxxas Slash body. That'll be running on 3S. And then I have got my Arrma Kraton EXP, which I've messed with a little bit more once again, because I know some of you want to see this on the channel. It's been a while. This thing's been very frustrating to deal with. I shimmed the crap out of the diffs, so the diffs are shimmed about as much as I can. And hopefully that rear diff will hold up, because all the issues I've been having stem from the rear diff. Alright guys, while we're here, I may as well go ahead and try doing a backflip with the Max. Here we go. Nice, it landed it, but you guys could see those tires flinging water. They're flinging water like crazy. But what I want to do is I want to put the camera down on a lower mount and really get a close-up of me running into the water balloons. Because first I'm going to lay some on the ground, just run into them, put that on slow-mo for you guys, and hopefully that'll look pretty cool. So let me go do that. Alrighty guys, this has not worked out quite as well as I thought it would. I thought this would be more fun than it is. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Because I do put a lot of work and time into these videos, so if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But I think these last few balloons that I have, water balloons, I'm just gonna hit with the Traxxas Slash. Now the Traxxas Slash, I just realized I forgot to fix something on it the last time I ran it. I forgot I lost the shoulder screw right here and right there. So you might have noticed in the slow motion shots, the camera was like going out or in because there's nothing holding the bottom. But we're gonna finish the rest of these off right here, right now. Hey, I got it. I'll just break the last few by hand, and then I'm gonna throw the stuff away because I don't want to leave the remnants of these balloons around. So unfortunately I only got balloon action with a little bit of the Slash, but mostly with the Max, and I wasted tons of balloons dropping him on the ground because I mistimed the jump because I was trying to hit him in midair. So I think I got a few decent shots. I'm gonna have to look at them, but anyway, take it easy, guys.